Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we will see operations on file and we will do some practicals for the same. The first operation we will do to create a file. There could be more than one ways to create a file, but in this session we will see three methods to create a file. First one is using echo command, second one using touch command, third one using one VI editor. Let's go to the console. Let me create a directory first where I will create files. So to create a directory I will use mkdir command. Mkdir then directory name. Now I will go to this directory. If you see, this directory is empty, total 0. Now I'll create a file here using echo. Okay, enter. So let me do ls-lrt. You can see one file has been created. Let's see what is the content inside the file. So to check that I will use cat. None, which means file is empty. The second method we will use touch. I will use touch command to create a file. Touch using touch file.txt. Okay, then enter. If you will do, there is one more file appear. Let's see if any content inside the file. You can see this file is empty. Next method is using an editor. I will use VI. So you can see there are two files available currently. I will use VI editor to create an empty file. VI, then file name using VI file.txt. Now this has created. I will use escape colon wq exclamatory to save it. So if you will see, file has been created. But let's see what is the content inside the file. This file is also empty. So this is how we created an empty file using three methods. One is echo, second one using touch, third one using editor. Let's move to next operations. Modify a file. So there could be more than one ways where you can modify the content of a file, but in this video we will go through with two methods. One is using VI editor, another one using echo. If you look at the first file and the content inside it, let me see. this file is having one new line. Let me insert new content inside it using echo. So echo, this is file, so we will use echo, this is first line, then using echo file name, then enter. Let's see if any content inside the file. Yes, you can see one line has been inserted. Let's insert another line into the file using echo. So we'll use echo. So you see I will use double greater than symbol here to redirect this line into the file. So I'm pressing enter. So let's see if this second line has been inserted or not. Yes, this has been inserted. So this is how we can modify content of a file using echo command. Second method is we will use VI editor to insert content into the file. So we will see this VI editor in detail later. But here let's understand the basic functionality. So to insert any content inside VI editor, there are three major steps. First one, you need to open the file first. The second one is you need to insert or delete or remove or make the changes into the file. Third one, you need to save and close the file. Okay, let's do first one. We will open the file. So command we will use VI and then file name. This has been opened. Next, you need to write into the file. To write into the file, we need to go into insert mode. For that we will press I. You can see insert mode has been enabled. Let's insert some content into it. Now once we are done with our content writing, we need to come out from insert mode. So to do that we need to press escape button. So escape will bring the control out from the insert mode. So escape, and to save the file we will press colon W Q and exclamatory. File saving is done. Let's see the content inside the file. See, it is writing. Next operation we will perform save and close a file, which we already have been gone through. Next operation will be copy contents of a file to another. To do this, we will use one command called cp. So, to copy contents of a file into another, we will use cp command. For that, we will refer two files. One is empty file, another one is non-empty file. So we have an empty file called using touch file, and we have one non-empty file called using vi file. So we will copy the contents from vi file to using touch file. Let's do it. So we will use cp, the content cp, then the file name, actually source file name, to destination, and then enter. So let's see if this has been copied or not. Yes, this has been copied. And if you look at it, timestamp also has been changed. Next operation is to rename or move a file. So we will rename the files first using mv command. So using echo file name, I will change it to renamed file 1, renamed 1.txt, and I'll put enter. Let's see if name has been changed or not. Yes, it is changed. Next operation we will perform to move this particular file into another different directory. So let me create a directory for that. Okay, so you can see one directory. I will move the file renamed 1 to test directory. So for that I will use mv space the file name. Here you need to give the path of that directory. Either it could be absolute path or relative path. So I'm giving relative path here because currently I'm on this particular directory only, test directory. Let's check if file has reached to test directory or not. Yes, you can see file has reached inside test directory. Next operation is copy a file from one location to another location. For that we will use cp command. Inside the current directory we have 2 files and 1 directory. So we will copy one file into test directory. So let's see how we will do. For that we will use cp space then file name which we want to copy, and then the destination directory. So you can see this file using vi file is available on current directory, and it should be available on the test directory as well. Yes, so it is here also. So that means file has been copied. Next operation we will do delete a file. So inside test directory, let's see what are the contents we have. So in test directory we have 2 files. One is renamed 1, second one is using vi file.txt. So we wanna delete one file called renamed 1. How we will do? Rm then file name, enter. So you can see file has been removed. So if you want to remove more than one file at a time, you can give the file names using space. Let's say space like that, and it will remove. But we have already removed the rename.1txt, so it is giving error. So you can see the empty directory. Let's wind up this session here only.